Hello and welcome back to Kathy's Adventure. Yes, I'm still here. Yes, I'm still alive. So long time no post, but I actually have a little project to do today. Kara needs a battery replacement. The battery is weak, and when I took her to do some maintenance, they said that the battery was just like not even gonna hold a charge. So I've bought my battery and we are going to replace it. Okay, let's do this thing. Holy crap, guys. I just got some really good news and I'm super stoked, super happy, and I feel like everything's starting to fall into place, and that's the good news for today. Might go home tonight and try to edit this on Final Cut Pro because I finally have that. Shout out to Billy, thank you for getting me Final Cut. You're the MVP. Yeah.